Hi YouTube, I'm Eddie Queller and this is my bike check. First we're going to start off with the ATF S&M frame. Just got it. It's pretty cool. Got it raw. Got band stickers on it, skate park. Monster sticker. It's pretty cool. Then we're going to start off with the front end. I got Demolition PA bars. Spray painted, it used to be white. I got ODI and long necks. Cut the flanges off and then I flipped them over. Make it look good. Same with the right. ODI bar ends. I got S&M little redneck stem in black. It's pretty cool. I like it. I just got these right here. These are S&M XLT forks, pitchforks. It's pretty cool. I like them. I got a premium V1 front rim. Had it for a while. It lasts long. Red hub. I got a old ass Primo binary peg, but it's still going good. I got a Fit FAF tire. I got in 2.5. I think it's the fattest it goes. In the tan wall, I like it. Then we go in the back end, in the rear end. I got a animal pedals, unsealed in gray. Got those for free. I got profile cranks, 175. I got United Squad sprocket. I got a half-link chain, but it's not a shadow chain. It's a fucking piece of shit KMC one, but it's still going good, still strong. And then I got a kink pivotal seat with a fucking federal seat post. Then we go back here. I got a Fit stock rim, shitty ass rim. It's all bent and shit. Fucking stupid. And then I got a Fit stock peg, but I like it because pegs are pegs. I don't really care what kind they are. And then I got a Fit FAF tire, 2.5, the fattest tire there is again, and tan wall. And then that's fucking it, I guess. It's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and my bike weighs around 24 pounds. Pretty light. And yeah, that's it. Bye.